What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe from Freedom Financial, back at it again with another video. Today I have a very special topic for you guys. Today we're going to talk about money, the most interesting topic in the world. So without further ado, let's get it. So I got a story for you guys today. So once upon a time, there was a man named Rob. Rob was walking through the forest one day and he saw all these beautiful trees, and he thought to himself, I want one of those. I want to plant a tree. I want to take care of it. I want to watch it grow, right? So what Rob did, he went home that night and he planted a tree right in his backyard. And every week he would go out and he would water it and he would take care of it and he would make sure that tree was good, right? 5 years come down the line. 5 years down the line, his brother Brent saw that his tree was growing, and Brent said, you know what? I want a tree too. So Brent went to his house, planted his own tree, watered it every week, took care of it, made sure it was good. And 5 years down the line, Rob's tree, now 10 years old, was looking really good. It was looking strong, healthy. It was looking beautiful. And Brent's tree was looking pretty good for 5 years. Now their youngest brother, Sam, saw the success that his older brothers were having with their trees, and he decided, you know what? I want a tree too. But by this time, Rob's tree was already bearing fruit. Now Rob was eating off of his own tree. His tree was making food for him now at this point. So Sam went and he planted his tree and he worked it every week. He was watering it, making sure everything was good. He was doing his part. Now, what does this story mean? What does this have to do with money? Well, the trees that were planted represent savings accounts. Rob had been saving for a long time. Now his brother Brent saw that he was saving and how his money was growing and decided, you know what, I want to start saving too. So 5 years after Rob started saving, that's when Brent decided to start saving. Now Sam saw the success that his brothers were having with their money and decided he wanted to change something in his life too. So he started to save. By the time Sam started saving, Rob's savings were so great that he started to live a little more lavish so that you could see it. Now he was living off the fruits of his labor. You see, when it comes to savings, it's best to start as soon as possible because you can take advantage of something called compound interest. Now, compound interest is where your money is working for you. Your money is paying you money. It's crazy. We're going to get into that in another video, but the sooner you start saving, the better. Don't let your money sit and collect dust. Let your money work for you. These days, it's so easy to save. There's so many ways that you can save. There's different apps you can use, there's different programs you can enroll in, there's different financial products you can invest in. There's so many ways to save. There's no excuse for anybody. Start saving now because down the line your future self is going to thank you. When I look back at my high school years, I think to myself, what happened to all of that money that I had? Where did it go? If I put away just $100 of that, by now it'd be worth thousands, even tens of thousands because of compound interest. So I'm saying all of this to say, now you have an opportunity to put money away. We're not going out as much as we used to. We're not, spending as much as we used to. So you have this opportunity now to start saving, start putting money away. Think ahead, think in the future. Your future self will thank you, I guarantee you. So I'm going to end with a quote. The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, but the next best time is today. If you enjoyed today's video, press the like button so that we know you love us. Click the subscribe button and press the bell next to it so that you can get notified whenever we post a video. Anyway, that's all for today. See you guys in the next video.